Okay, so this movie's supposed to be seriously scary. Are you sure you can handle it?
Yeah, after my accounting test today, I think I can handle it.
Okay, we're looking at a just under 2-hour runtime. Let's get settled in. We need snacks.
Yes, we do. Okay, popcorn is a go. It needs something.
Maybe some cheddar salt?
Oh, hey.
Okay. I think what I'm craving is cheese.
Nachos!
Yeah.
Awesome! Still no.
It can be better.
You know, culinary school is ruining you. You're way too hard to please.
Wow. Jalapeno? Shredded chicken.
Nope. Invisible nachos?
The chicken was already marinated. It wouldn't have complemented the nachos. But I'm working on something better.
Well, is it popcorn?
Close. Lamb shanks.
Possibly our best movie snack ever. I couldn't eat another bite.
I think I still have some raspberry cheesecake.
Go! Go, 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 go! Okay. Now it's the best movie snack ever. All right, well, since you made dinner, least I can do is the dishes.
I mean, I'll help.
Well, come on.
Okay, movie time. You know, my day kind of sucked, but I had a really great night here with you. You really made my day great. I really love spending time with you, and I look forward to seeing you. Charlie? Right. Movies late at night, food equals Charlie sleeping spell.
Why?
Yeah, that was dumb. That was dumb. She didn't know it was a date, did she? Classic.